nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups ain't shy, yo. See this night I choose to forget my trouble.
Hey, I figured since I came this far, might as well walk across the border and get some lunch. Not sure if this is a good idea or not, but hey, what I got to lose. Oh, and I can only film so much before they're going to tell me to turn off my camera, so let me get through the border checkpoint into Mexico and then I'll film from there. It's busy today. It's Saturday. Guess that means I'm leaving. Made it. Wish me luck. Time for some lunch. Everyone's scared to go to Mexico. Quit being wimps. Enough of that. Time to eat. Couldn't come all this way without stopping at the pink store for lunch. If you know, you know. $8. In and out. Easy. Wish I could film going through the border patrol, but yeah, they kind of frown on that shit.